software. These programs assist in the smooth functioning of a computer system. Okay, assist in the sense help. These programs help in the smooth functioning of a computer system and helps it to perform better also. Okay, and helps the computer to perform better. The various utility program can be taught from the licensed computer stores. Okay, and so many utility programs are there that can be bought from the licensed computer stores. We can get those programs from the licensed computer stores, whereas utility program are also available on the internet. Okay, through internet we can get all the utility program. We used to get antivirus program, we used to get file management program and all through internet, isn't it? Likewise, we can get whatever utility program we want, we can get through internet, and it is of course free of cost. We don't want to pay anything, it is free of cost. And described here are some common utility programs. We will see what are the furthermore utility programs. Antivirus utility. So antivirus, which means which will prevent our computer from the virus attack, isn't it? Let's see. These days virus attack on a computer are very common, of course, isn't it? Through internet our virus is our computer is attacked by the virus. So this is being a common problem for a computer. A virus in computer terminology is a program that can cause harm to a computer or data. Of course, if a virus is attacked to a computer, then it may delete all the data. Okay, some important files can be missed, so it will create some harmfulness to a computer. Okay, and the data storage also, by performing usual activities in the computer. In order to protect our system, in order to protect our computer and its data already stored from any virus attack, we need to install antivirus utility program. Okay, we need to install antivirus utility program into our computer. If we install the antivirus program, then if any virus attack is there, the computer will, this program will intimate it that it will inform to us that virus is there in your computer. Okay, then we can clear the virus. By using these utilities, one can also recover lost files. Okay, so by using the utility program also we can recover the lost files because of computer virus, and protect the data also. Some examples of such utilities are AVG, Avast, etc. Okay, these are called antivirus utility program. Then to take backup, see, this is Avast. This is the symbol of Avast antivirus program. To take a backup, we used to take backup using pen drive, CDs, DVDs, isn't it? Let's see. Backup utility. Sometimes data get damaged, of course, isn't it? And lost or deleted by mistake. Or sometimes even hard disk get crashed suddenly. Sometimes this may happen in a computer, isn't it? Sometimes a computer will not open, some computer will be under repair, or data can be lost. We could delete some messages, some files mistakenly. This might happen. To recover data, to take back all the data in such circumstance, okay, it is recommended that important files are stored on the backup storage devices. Okay, so this is important. If we stored all the files in a backup storage device, then if it is deleted also, we will not worry about it. We can easily again store it back to the computer using this backup storage device. So this program is called backup utility software program. So some examples are through CDs, through DVDs, through pen drives. We used to take backup. We used to store all those data in a computer, isn't it? So these are the utility programs: CD, DVD, pen drive. Then compression utility. Compression in the sense just shrinking the size of the file. Okay, so file, if we store any file, it will take some space, isn't it? It will occupy some space. If the file capacity is more, it will occupy most memory space. So to shrink the file, to small to shorten the size of the file, this such compression utility program is used. At times files are quite large in size, of course. Okay, and it is necessary to shrink. Of course, if the file size is large, we need to small it, isn't it? We need to smaller the size of the file. That is called shrink. So it is necessary to shrink these files to manage space. A compression utility shrink file size. So this utility program will shorten the file size. So it will compress the file size and create free space on the disk. Okay, that can be used for other application. So the remaining spaces will be used to store any other applications. This utility is also very helpful, and we need to email um, a big file. So we can easily email a big file. If we compress the file from a big size to small size, then when we can easily use it, isn't it? So we can easily email the big file. However, compression file cannot be read directly, okay, and have to be decompressed. Once the file is compressed, it cannot be read directly. Again, it has to decompressed. Again, it has to bring back to its original size, that is actual size. Okay, so that is called decompressed. So to their actual form to use them. So once we compress it, once we compress the file, we can send through email. After sending email, the receiver had to decompress it again. It should be bring back to its original size, then we can use it. So some example of such utilities are WinZip, etc. Okay, so these are the utility programs: antivirus program, backup utility software, and compression utility software. These all are utility softwares. Thank you, children. We will see the application software in the next class.